Hey guys, my name's Chris. I'm an admin on the Scottish Vape Club page. If you haven't checked us out, go to www.scottishvape.club and we'll accept you through. If you're local, even better. Today, I wanted to talk about the Kanger Emow Kit. Right? I got this, I basically borrowed it for the shop. A lot of people will know I work for a company called Zen Vapor. And it came in and I looked at it and I was like, that looks really cool. I like the look of it. They came in black as well, but I don't have the black with me. So I've got a cold, by the way, just in case we do some snappy cuts, and that's because I'm going to sneeze. But basically the construction of this is awesome. It's all stainless steel and Pyrex. Pyrex. Adjustable airflow and variable voltage, right? Perfect for me, perfect for on the go, perfect for in the car, whatever. People who know me, I do a lot of gigs. I'm a sound engineer, I'm a musician. You know, I'm always out and about. So this lasts me all day. It's a 1300 milliamp hour battery, and it gives me what I want rather than taking it about like a Hana or a big dripper or like the OKR with the Dark Horse. So for me it's ideal. I know I don't mind taking things like that about, but sometimes I just don't want to. I'd rather fill up and forget, So let's go down to the table and we'll show you all the features. Okay, so this is the Kanger Emow Kit. This is how it came, but I ripped the box. I got really impatient when I was trying to open it. So this is how it comes when you receive it. You get your battery and your tank all assembled. I just nudged the camera. Damn it. When it comes, you get an instruction book, an authenticity card. Everything's upside down. You get your authenticity code there. Come on, move. There. You get your authenticity code. You get, as well, which I thought was exceedingly cool, 5 coils. 5 of the dual coils. These are the new design with the chamber, more of the Aspire sort of deal. A charger, a USB charger. If you're watching these videos, you already know about how to charge things, so I'm not going to waste time doing that. And you get a US plug as well. I think that's a US plug. Don't need to bother with that, because when I've been charging it, I've just used my MacBook USB port. So when you're done with all the packaging, just throw it. But I keep the box anyway. I like keeping the box. Right, so this is the Emow. I think it looks great, don't you? I just dropped it. It's robust as well. I've dropped this a bunch, and it's never let me down. So what shall we talk about first? The battery or the tank? Battery or tank? Battery or tank? Let's talk about the tank first. The tank is a 1.8mm capacity. The drip tip here comes off, just like that, and it fits really snug. It has adjustable airflow. It has, what does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes, right? I don't know the diameter of them, but you go from 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes, 5 holes, 6 holes. You go 5 holes. And it works. The draw is loose enough for me, and it just works really well. It threads on everything I have, everything that's an Eagle thread anyway, and it works fantastic. Right, so you fill the tank up. Let's just assume that this bottle is, we're going to fill it up with this bottle, but we're not, because this is a custard and this is a fruity one. So you go down the side, not down the middle, because if you go down the middle, it'll just run out of the mouthpiece bit. Right? The coil here is totally replaceable. I don't rebuild these, I don't bother. I think it's pointless when you can just buy a new one. But that hole there, that hole in the pin, that annoys me, because if I, if I'm using a thinner juice or something like that, that hole there in the bottom of the coil is going to leak onto my battery connection, and I don't want that, because you need to keep your battery connection clean. And yeah, that's the only downside to this. So Kanger, if you're watching, make your coils, your new coils, more like the coils before them, where they had just a like a flat pin, not a hole in. So do that, and I won't have any issues. That covers the tank. 1.8 mil capacity, if I didn't mention. The battery. Right? Like a standard Ego style battery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turns it off and on. So that's off. It flashes rainbow when it comes on or off. Push the button, it lights up, and it basically goes through red, green and white. Red's 3.7 volts, so if you click it 3 times, it goes green, which is 4.2 volts. 3 again, and it's white, that's 4.8 volts. When mine came, mine was set at 4.8 volts. Took me a couple of tries to get it, but I got it easy. If you keep that sort of rhythm in your head, you're fine. That is back to 3.7. Back to on the battery. Is my airflow wide open? No, it's not. It is now. So I like a wide draw, loose draw, whatever. So let's vape it. We'll go back up to the original screen, and we shall give my final thoughts on it. So that is the review of the Kanger Emow. I think it's a fantastic setup. Like I said in the start screen, it's great if you're on the go. Like I said, I'm a musician. I'm out on the go a lot. I'm a sound engineer. I do a lot of things. I don't always want to carry, the big bulky sort of setup about. It holds enough just to get you through a day or even an evening, depending how often you're allowed to vape. The airflow is loose enough for me, and it's also adjustable enough for, say, somebody who likes to do mouth to lung inhales. Like, let's do 2 air holes open. That's really tight. Now, if I had something like this when I first started vaping, I probably wouldn't have moved into rebuildable. Wide open airflow. Perfect. It's perfect for me. Absolutely perfect. This is Blimey that's in here as well for the shop. Great flavour, the coils are great. They'll take the single coils as well, but you just have to double up the wee rubber O-rings. I don't have any single coils here. But you just have to double up the wee O-rings that are on the top of the coil. I hope that you got something from this review, even this walkthrough, whatever you want to call it. I'm not a reviewer, I'm just a guy. Great product, great quality, as you've come to expect for Kanger. Any questions? Jump on the Scottish Vape Club page, www.scottishvape.club, and we'll talk there. See you later. Take it easy.